All right, here we go with a very special episode. And no, it does not involve drugs and it does not involve gangs or nothing like that. It's just a very special item. Comes to us from WWE.com. WWE shop. And here it is. Look at all this packing. There it is, right there. What could it be? This is awesome already. I can feel the weight and the consistency in this item. Look at this. Look at the packaging. Just exquisite. Except for this little piece of thing right here. But anyway, take a gander at that. Winged Eagle Championship. In my opinion, the best championship ever in the history of professional wrestling. There it is. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that leather. The craftsmanship. This championship, I believe, debuted after WrestleMania 3 and was retired after Stone Cold beat Shawn Michaels at WrestleMania 14. But in my opinion, they should have kept this. This looks like a championship. You see? Now we just got some monstrosity with a big giant logo. Can you be any lazier in championship designing? Look at this. This is beautiful. This signifies class. When you think of all the champions that have held this particular design championship belt, the list goes on and on, you know. But I'm not going to bore you with that list, you know. I don't want to start thinking right now. Well, there it is. I give this a 10 out of 10. And this is going to look great on display. Look at that. If you had a little monkey, you could probably put it on him. Anyway, that's it.